In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to do correlation in Excel with the Data Analysis tab. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how to install this, I will link it here in the corner, and you can press that link and install it first. So what we can do is we can come up here to our Data Analysis tab. Now, let me preface this by saying this data is random, and I intentionally set it up to have a higher correlation. So you can come here to correlation, we can press OK, and now we'll be in here. So our input range is going to be all of our data here. Since we have these columns in our selection, we can select labels in first row, and we can select our output range to be somewhere here in, say, column I. Now we can press OK, and you can see here we have our correlation. So here we clearly have a very high correlation, and now let's test it with different numbers. Now that we've changed our numbers, we can run our correlation again. And we can see we have a much lower correlation, which would make sense as these numbers have much higher variance. And that's how to run a correlation in Excel.